I'm Nikki, your host, and I'm super excited to share my passions with you. Grab a cup of your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of Nikki's lifestyle.
This evening I want to do butter cream for kids and adults, for dark people. Remember the other time I have done one before? Yeah, we are doing it again today, because today there's something I want to put on today's phone that I did not put on that other day on. So here I have my jojoba oil already inside the bowl. I have my jojoba oil. You want me to send you the recipe and the measurements, please do well, let me know. Then I have 1 tablespoon of citric alcohol. This citric alcohol is a kind of preservative. Even with this butter cream will last for 1 year, nothing will happen to it. Then I have this cream, I'm making it for 2. I have my mango butter here. I'm making it for 2 of my customers. Put my mango butter. As I used to say, please feel free to Google any ingredients I'm using to do any of my skincare products. Please, you are free to Google it, know their work, know what they are doing in the skin. As I said, whatever I'm doing, my kids, my family, I too, we are using it. This is my cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is something that's now in the market. Can you believe that this 50 grams is 5,000? It's well, I'm very my contact. And the cocoa butter. As I said, I'm using cocoa butter because I'm doing it for dark skin, children and adults. This is my avocado butter. This is the one that I know from the one I did before. This will not be enough, so I'm putting another one. The cream is for 2, so that it will be enough. Then I'm adding my shea butter. That we dry the skinny of this butter. If you make it, it will not be that, it will not be oil, it will be like normal cream. The other one I didn't add it, so this one I'm adding it. Please don't put more than 1 tablespoon, if not your cream will be very high. Right now, to melt all our butter, so you just leave it there. As you can see, our oil has finished melting, so you have to leave it and cover it so that it will be cool. So it gets cool. Just cover it, so it will be cool. So this is our butter. We are going to go ahead and whip again. To add all our oil. The first oil we are going to add is black seed oil. This black seed oil is very powerful, especially for kids. It will make them not to have eczema, ringworm, itching, or any skin disease. That is what this black seed oil is for. Put 2 tablespoons. We go in with our carrot oil. 2 tablespoons. Go in with our citric oil. Remember our jojoba oil is there already. Add any other oil you want to add. So this is our final product. This is the final product of our butter cream. This one is made with black seed oil and arrowroot powder. Google black seed oil, you will see what it's for. It fights eczema, ringworm, any itches, any rashes in the body. So the difference between this butter cream and the one I did before is that this one contains black seed oil and arrowroot powder. So tell me in the comment section if you will try it for your children and for your skin and for yourself. As I said, it's for dark skin complexion. This particular butter cream is for dark skin complexion. When I will do for light and brightening skin, I will still update you guys. See you. Love you. Shalom. Butter cream. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the color? The way it's thick, that is where your skin will be when you use it.